Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, friends. In this video, I will try to demonstrate you the e-commerce application which I created since few years before, and I already hosted that application in one cloud pythonanywhere.com. So I already made the videos for that in other language, Urdu language. Now from today, I will try to start new videos in English language for English language users, and this video actually consists of one functionality of that e-commerce app, and later then we can start the functionality technical also. We can start the technical details also. And the reason of actually start this series is actually this video contain two part. This app contains two part. One part is e-commerce and other part is inventory. So we have to copy the inventory part from here to our ERP application also. So let's start. First we will try to log in. Just I show you URL of the hosted app. So this is actually main page. These are the products which are available for sales in our shop, e-shop. The shop name is Rashanwala, and here are the categories. All category: fresh fruit, fresh meat, fresh vegetable, ration, cleaning material. If we can click on this, the category wise product will come. Fresh vegetable, fresh meat, fresh fruit, like this, and all product will come. And we can also search here, like for example I put onion, ON, then enter, so only onion will come. If we can put here B, so all product which contain the B, that will come. Or even this is actually searching. This search bar here is category wise, we can search, user will search. This is the products. This is sign up page for new user. This is login page for the customer. This is sign up page for customer. This is actually backend. This is for backend user who will manage the inventory. This is developer APIs which you created in Django DRF, Django REST framework. This is a Django REST framework, which is one of the best framework nowadays. So we can also see the technicals about this. This is very easy and very fast. But in today's video we will try to understand the functionality of this app, how it is working. Before that, I will also try to, in next video maybe I will try to recover my PayPal account also, because this application also integrated with payment gateway of the PayPal. I will show you. First, for example, I already have one user, so first I will delete or I can create new. I have email, so I will delete my user. Right now I have the user here already. I show you. I already created before. This user, I think. Yes, this user I have. So first I will try to delete this user. I will go in backend. It is not directly accessible. I will go on the cloud of the Python anywhere. admin panel for a time being, just for accessing the admin panel, which I disabled. This total I will describe you later, step by step. And this is actually more Pythonic than Django. More of the code is actually in Python way. I will check, it is enabled already, I think. Yes, it is already enabled. So I will my password, I think I forget. I can check. No, password I remember. Customers, I will remove the email, this account. When I will delete the account, you see here all the details related to that account is being deleted. This is the power of the Django. It is automatically selecting all the foreign keys. And I can log out here from here, and I forget before. So now I will go in URLs and I disable this. Save. And then I will try refresh the web. This is Python and we are cloud, like we are using AWS, Google GCP, Azure or other, so like this. Now we can try to, for example, access, it will not accessible. And here it is showing the error because I didn't put debug is equal to false. I want to show see the errors, that's why. Now here I can try to log in, it will not log in. Incorrect email password, because this email is not available. If email available, so it will share message incorrect password. And here everything, now we can sign up new account. And here you see I written here, due to some limitation of Python and we are Twilio, actually we are using the Twilio, which is sending the SMS for OTP messaging. So actually an SMTP email we are using for Gmail SMTP. So right now it is not available due to some security reason, because this is free account. So that's why, otherwise when user will sign up and he will select verification method, email or mobile, so automatically he will receive one OTP message, which I will show you later how we can generate the OTP using the Twilio. If you want more about this, it is very easy. Twilio. And for generation of the message, this is Twilio. It will provide you one account, one US number account, or you can purchase in your country. So it will be limitation, there is some limitation also based on the country base. If it is in your country, so this message will only come to your country. If it is global, so you have to see the document also. And they will also provide all the things here, APIs, how to use their system. So in this application we use the Twilio, we use the PayPal sandbox, which is provided by PayPal, and also SMTP of Gmail. So now we are, because this is due to some limitation, it is not available, so we can directly log in. Email, we need correct email, because if it is email is not correct, the message will not come, or mobile number also correct, but right now it is not available, this service. So I will put the correct email, correct number, password. You can put any password, for example and password also contain the special character, capital, number, small, everything. Just I will show you, and I will show you, for example I put here only small number. I can say, see what will happen. Length should be 8 character. Okay, I put 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 numbers. Okay, now it will say password should have at least one uppercase. I put here, instead of A, I put here A. At least one lowercase. This all condition I written on backend. I show you the view of this one. So now I will make the password, just all things I will just show you it. This is not Django default authentication. This is actually custom authentication we created, because we need two authentication. One authentication is for using the backend, one is for registration of the customer. So this profile also, this register also customer, this form. So after putting this submit, it will actually send the OTP to mobile number or email, which we selected in last form. But here we didn't put any OTP, and just for time being I put here, because 1 2 3 4, and we can verify, it will verify, and we can log in here using our email which we created. Yes, I show you backend also how it is created there. Before logging I will show you it is enter or not enter. Emart, I just enable for time being. Then we can go on web, reload, admin, login. Here we can see the customer table. See here, this I created, and also the thing password is hashed. This also we can see later how we are hashing the password in Django. So it is created. Now I will disable here again due to security reason, otherwise everyone will access this. Okay, I will disable later because now I have to show you the inventory also. Adding new item of a product category. Now I am trying to log in here. You see this power of the Django. Every transaction contains CSRF token. That's why most of the payment gateway companies and financial companies are using the Django. If you are making any login logout, so it will not allow you to go directly. You have to refresh the page, reload the page. I show you the CSRF token. CSRF token is not entered, that's why it is asking login again, because I login log out from backend na here, so it will now send the CRF token. Every transaction of the Django is secure. Now it is login here. This is our dashboard. Here actually also we have the graph. We are using the chart.js, but it is not showing here due to some, maybe my CDN is old. I have to update the CDN, or I have to see why it is not showing. This is chart.js actually we are using also for showing our purchasing. I will correct this error bug and then I will show you the reason why it was not showing. So when user will enter here, he will see the dashboard, and even without login, user will actually select the products. For example, now I am not logged in. I will just entering. It will, what it will do, it will actually select the item as sessions. And if I show you now, for example, I say, and this is balance stock is actually also calculating the inventory, how much inventory we have. It is checking the inventory table. This is inventory table. This is total module, and the inventory is, you see, batch wise inventory we have. We are calculating the batch by every inventory actually coming using the GRN. So I say when I will select one item, you can see next time it will, product will decrease here. I say 1 kg onion, 1 tray egg, 1 oil, or like this. I added 3 items. Even before adding here, I show you, I will add here one product category just to showing you from backend. For example, add new category. Medicine, I added. I will refresh the page, medicine will come, or I will add new medicine also. This is backend user work, but this is very big system. Alhamdulillah, we created before. Box, a packet. We can choose the image also. example Panadol. I downloaded one image just for showing you. Here you can select the category. Now we can check the product is showing here or not. No, product is not showing, maybe some issue. I will check later this one. We can see later. No problem. How this that's like this we are adding the product from backend. So now we have the cart here. You see we didn't log in. I log out na, so it is asking the login. And if user is login and he didn't enter the address, so it will the automatically address button will come here. This is our cart. Login here, you see here it is asking the select the address, but we don't have any address in the payment mode. So what we have to do, we have to go in dashboard, my address, we have to add new address. For example, address, which address, office, home, other. I put of home address, for example, line number 1. This address actually it will also show in order detail. Dummy address, for example, line number 2, I put line number, any address, for example, road number 1222, line number 3, area number 777, country, is default address. I say yes, is default address. Now address will save here. We can also change and delete the address. So now we'll go in cart and checkout button. You see here now checkout button is came. And here the automatically it is showing the address for selection. And here is the PayPal and cash, easy paisa, benefit, other too many options we can add. But right now my PayPal account is actually blocked due to some reason. It is not accessible. Otherwise we can put here PayPal and it will redirect it to PayPal like this. But actually I forget my password, so I am trying to check out. So now I will put only cash on delivery. If you have the PayPal account, you can try to do it, but don't use the real one because this is actually dummy account. You can use the sandbox. Submit order, address, cash, submit order, and here you see this is a graph. Actually it is not working, I will see later. This is barcode generated, order number created, order status received, and here we can click, it will show the order details like this. And backend, from backend, for example, backend user will actually process the order master, for example, received. So it will, I will say in process, or I will say out for delivery. So user will see here his detail, out for delivery, like this. So, and here the product suggestion also, if we can enable this one. So actually there is AI enabled on backend. So when we are going to product purchasing, it will show you downside what the other users are actually purchasing. If you can update this one also. So in our, when we are going, for example, making new cart, and you see here inventory also reduce when we go in cart purchasing. So downside, you see it is showing you purchase before buying trend. People are buying this product right now. This is based on the AI model we created, and right now it is only showing the images. We can also make moving. So like this. This is our dashboard. Product suggestion. If I will disable this one, so cart, it will not show suggestion. So it is total control by user. Product review. Now I purchased this product, so I can also, it is allowed me to give the review, remarks on this one. So I put the stars also. I say nice product. And here in product you see there stars. Now stars is showing 4 star. So it is based on the average. How many users actually purchasing, star is increase or decrease, review based. So up to right now, that's it. And next video we will try to start second video of functionality, and then technical I will try to start one by one. We can go one URL by URL, and then we can start. For example, I show you eMart. This is main our part. This is e-store inside, which is this application, And another application is stock inventory application. So we can see in this inventory application we have to copy in our ERP. So we can also move this one there. All logics, all models and views we can move there. So I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.